What's going on, believers? Guys, if you listened to the alpha people in the Saitama wolf pack, then you went to sleep 2 days ago thinking that you were going to go up to a million, billion, cheen, thousand points, and the world was going to be a happy place full of butterflies. And if you listen to me, then you were told that you would hover around 1300 because you would struggle to break through resistance, and it would be a good opportunity to consolidate at a little bit higher floor for the next catalyst. Now, what happened? You couldn't break resistance. You hovered around 13,000. You're setting up a new level of support so that you can break through on the next catalyst. And I just do this stuff because I'm always right. It's not financial advice, but you get it.
I can't wait till Friday. Everybody's getting sideways.
All right, guys, Saitama's trading at 1339 right now. There's still some time to break through here. There's consolidation happening. If Russ's post that he gave the other day about should we go ahead and do another exchange is correct, then that other exchange needs to come the next couple days, because sentiment is going to change if there's not something new that happens. And when you zoom out here, you can see here there's not really a line of support that's dramatic, but there is a little bit across here. So if this can hold for just a little while and the positive sentiment can maintain itself, then this can continue to cascade upward. Now, you should expect a bounce around this spot, a little bit up again. It's probably going to test the support line around 1600 before it comes back down. We're going to see whether it does or not. I'm interested to see how it plays out, of course, but that's what I think. And yeah, I'm always right. So moving on. All right, guys, many of you are experiencing the result of what is called long-term hodling on a product that did not have a catalyst that was going to take it to a next level or a use case, as the case may be. So now you're left with a bag that's way down, and you're going to have to actually get the benefit of that catalyst in order to move the product forward for you to get your money back. It's the opposite of investing and making a profit, and that's how you get wrecked in this business. You go in too hard, you go in at the wrong time, you don't wait for the bottom, and then you end up getting wrecked. So if you got wrecked off of this, I hope that this was a lesson learned. Doesn't mean this is not a good product that won't support some upward mobility for the future. You just got in at a bad time, made a bad decision at the wrong moment. Always do your own research. Make sure that you know what is and what is not going on. Now, if, however, you are someone who got in on this chart down in the 1100s or the 1200s or something like that over the last bunch of months, I mean, then guess what? You're feeling pretty good right now because your investment is up 15 to 20% in a pretty short period of time. And if it continues to move on an uptrend, then you're going to have a really good investment result. Problem is, there's a lot of people that invested all the way up. We did some analysis last night, and it turns out, just so everybody understands, there are 355,000 holders for Saitama, 50,000 of which invested near the all-time high on the run-up to that all-time high from about November 1st to November 14th. So that's how many people are completely wrecked. 190,000 wallets have less than $100. So I want you to think about those numbers because they're massive. This thing will move. It will go up. It will have moments. It will start to rebuild its momentum. But remember where you are. Remember where you were. And if you want to get there again, it's going to take some catalysts. A new exchange would be really nice. It's not financial advice. Take your profits on the way up. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. And remember, I'm Bleeves, and I'm always right.
I'm looking for the good life, good life. Sitting on top of the world. I wanna be shining like diamonds and pearls. I want you to go.